Some bingo apps let you start playing cash games without paying an entry fee, but no minimum can mean two different things. No minimum deposit to start, or no minimum withdrawal. Those are not the same thing. By the end, you'll know 5 bingo apps worth checking, and exactly what to look for before trying to cash out. Bingo Cash is one of the better-known options for competitive cash bingo. The app separates withdrawable cash from bonus funds, so you can see which balance is actually eligible for withdrawal. Some tournaments use entry fees, which means the app itself isn't completely free to play for cash. Bingo Clash A is another popular option. It uses head-to-head bingo matches where you compete against another player, and cash games can have different entry amounts. The important part is that availability depends on location, so check the cash game option inside the app before depositing. Next is N Blackout Bingo, which uses a speed-based version of bingo rather than traditional numbered ball bingo. You can play free games, earn bonuses, and enter paid tournaments when cash competitions are available to you. Because paid tournaments involve entry fees, don't treat the app as a guaranteed way to make money. Bingo Tour is another option from Avia Games. It combines bingo with power-ups and competitive tournaments. You can play free content while cash competitions are available in eligible locations. Withdrawal timing can vary, so check the current cash-out rules before putting money into the app. Finally, Bingo Arena offers competitive bingo with real money prizes. Its format includes one-on-one games and tournaments, and the app uses skill-based matching. As with the other apps, eligibility and cash game availability can depend on where you live. There's one detail that matters more than the word free: the withdrawal rules. An app can let you start with no deposit and still require you to reach a specific withdrawal threshold, complete identity verification, or use an approved payment method before receiving your money. Promotional credits can also have different withdrawal rules from cash you actually win. So the 5 names to check are Bingo Cash, Bingo Clash, Blackout Bingo, Bingo Tour, and Bingo Arena. If your priority is starting without depositing money, look for the free game or bonus option first. If your priority is withdrawing small winnings, check the minimum cash out requirement before playing. Your next step is simple. Open the app's withdrawal section before entering any paid tournament and verify the minimum withdrawal payment method and eligibility rules. If you want more straightforward app comparisons, like this video and subscribe.